When a team of military medics took care of civilian coronavirus patients earlier this year, who took care of the medics? One local Army chaplain is now being honored for his tireless work, making sure that the spiritual needs of the responding troops were met. Military reporter Mike Gooding has details.
It's a huge joy to serve those who serve.
Back in the spring, when New York was the nation's epicenter for the first wave of the coronavirus pandemic, the military set up a massive mobile hospital at the Javits Center in Manhattan to treat the sick. Fort Eustis-based Joint Task Force Civil Support provided command and control of the COVID-19 response in New York and New Jersey to support FEMA and to help communities in need under the direction of U.S. Northern Command. And from the JTF-CS headquarters at Fort Eustis, Army Major Stephen Roby coordinated with the U.S. Army North Command chaplain to manage all religious service teams during the response.
My work was making sure that those medical providers had chaplains who they could talk to in confidence, because they were carrying really heavy burdens, seeing a lot of death and doing all that they were doing.
Roby also deployed to Texas from late July to early September, where he provided religious support to an urban augmentation medical task force that was treating COVID-19 patients in Houston. That's him second from the right. And as if all that weren't enough, Roby is also the pastor of Water's Edge Church in Virginia Beach. He's been one busy guy. For his efforts, Roby this week was recognized by the Military Chaplains Association as the Army Reserve Distinguished Chaplain for 2020.
For me, to be around these heroes is one of my great joys.
Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.